Hi, I'm Howard, founder of How to Drive, and today I'm going to talk to you about steering. Okay, so let's get started. Best practice is to hold the steering wheel with both hands. Either hold it in the 1/4-to-3 position or 10-to-2. And good little tip is to keep your thumbs outside the steering wheel, just in case you hit a pothole, because that could hurt your thumbs. By holding the steering wheel in this way, you'll have easy access to get the indicators or the window wipers, and you'll be able to see the full dashboard so you can see what speed you're going. A really good tip when steering is to look where you want to go. Your hands will follow your eyes. Looking at this picture here, looking through to the left as the road's creeping away from us, just keep your eyes on that and you'll steer around that bend just lovely. Okay, let's go through the pull-push method of steering. This is probably the best method of steering that you can use, as it means both hands will be on the steering wheel at all times. So we're just going to do a few left turns and show you what we're doing. Let's get this van out of the way and then we'll get carried on. Okay, so we're coming up to a left turn. So we've got the signal on, and look at the left hand. The left hand's going to come up to the top of the steering wheel. So we reach the bend, pull down, and the right hand just allows it to feed through. Now out of the bend, the right hand comes up and pulls back to go straight. And that's the pull-push method for turning left. Okay, so let's try some right turns using the pull-push method. So at the end of the road here, we're going to be turning right. So we'll just select that gear. Now look at the right hand, comes to the top, pulls down through the bends, and then the left hand comes to the top to straighten. So we're pulling and pushing through the bend. Always pull down through the bend. This gives the car more stability. So let's try that again. We're going to turn right. So right hand to the top, pulls down. The left hand just lets it feed through. Then the left hand can come back to straighten up the wheel after the turn. And then we've got time for just one more. Now this one's quite a tight one, quite a tight turn. So look how much the right hand comes over the top. Right over to there, pulls down, and then we straighten up at the ends. So that's your pull-push method for turning left and right. Okay, so let's look at rotational steering. This method's ideal for slow manoeuvres, and it does mean you cross your hands, which the DVSA will accept on a driving test. It just means you can get those steers on really quick. Look how I get that steering wheel all the way round, and that is acceptable. Now let's compare that to a different method of steering, palming method, where you steer with one hand. Just take a look at that, steering with one hand, not in control, that is not acceptable. Another poor steering technique is called dry steering. This is when you steer your car while still stationary, which means you drag your tyres across the tarmac, getting all that debris stuck in your tyres, and it's also not good for your steering mechanism. Okay, that's all we've got time for today, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let us know what you want us to do next, because there'll be loads more videos on the way.